Hi guys, it's Lizzie from the Academy team, and I thought it might be a little bit of fun to take the Fujifilm X out for the day just to see what we can capture. Inspired by half-frame cameras, the Fujifilm X takes all the fun of film photography and brings it into a digital world with its retro look and feel, its vertical format of shooting and more. Now if you want to find out all of the technical spec for this camera, then please go ahead and watch our first look video, which is already on our channel, and I've also linked it in the description below, because right now we're just going to take this camera and see what it's actually like to use. One of the features that really caught my attention when this camera first came out was the film camera mode. I just think it sounded like so much fun, and I love the idea of not being able to view back your images until you've shot through your entire film. So I think that's the mode that we're going to use today, but before I set it up, I just need to choose how many exposures, so how many photos I want to take, and also what film I want to use. The X features 13 of Fujifilm's film simulations, and lucky for me, that also includes 4 of my favorites, which are Reala Ace, Acros, Velvia and Classic Neg. So I've just got to decide which one I want to use today. I feel as though this is a much harder choice than it actually should be, but once I lock this in, I can't change it until I've shot my film. So we're gonna have to make big choices, hard decisions. I am leaning more towards Acros because it is a really nice high contrast black and white type of film, and I don't really know what the weather's going to do today. It is sunny now, but it might rain later, so I think I might cover all bases and shoot black and white. I haven't done it in a long time, so yeah, we'll do black and white. Let's go. I think this might actually make quite a nice photo with the contrast between the 2 different colours of wood and also the door. So I might take a couple of shots here and just hope that they come out nice. I'm just making my way slightly further into town, as I do want to try and get some of this classic street style shots, especially of some buildings and some reflections, if we can find some puddles or some reflective windows, that kind of thing. But I did just want to say that so far I actually have been having a whole lot of fun. It is quite challenging not being able to instantly look back at your images, so I have no idea what these are going to look like, but I have really enjoyed the process of slowing down and thinking before I take the photo, and thinking about whether it's worth taking a photo as well. So yeah, it's going to be interesting to see what these look like, but let's keep going. I think I finally found a reflection shot, so see how these turn out. This is actually really exciting. I've got one more shot left to take, and I'm going to head back to the beach now to finish off my film. I actually love watching this develop on the app. This is so cool. And do you know what? I don't think we did too badly with our photos today. For me personally, I just love how the X-Half makes me feel about photography. The excitement, the nostalgia, and that pure joy for taking photos. It's so easy nowadays to get bogged down in all of the latest technology, and this is just really refreshing. Now, if you'd like to find out any more information on the Fujifilm X-Half, then head on over to jessops.com now, or pop into your nearest store where one of our experts will be more than happy to help. Hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, don't forget to give it a like, hit subscribe and smash that bell icon so you can stay up to date on all our latest content. That's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.